So let's move on to the next question, guys. In this question, we are given that this is a huge square inside which there are two small squares, right? So one square is this and one square is this. And these two squares are shaded. And the sum of the square, the sum of the area of this square and the sum of the area of this square, it is given to be 1000, right? And we also know that the side of the larger dark square, that means this one, the side of the larger dark square is 8 units longer than the small. As compared to this one, this square has a side which is 8 units longer, right? So if we draw the diagram one more time, right? So this is the kind of figure that we have, right? So this is the shaded part and this is the shaded part, right? So let's assume that this side is x, this side is x, this side is x, and this side is x, right? So we know that the side of the larger square, this part, the larger dark square, is 8 units longer than the small one. So the small one is x, this will be x plus 8. So this will be x plus 8, this will be x plus 8. I hope this should be absolutely clear, right? And we also know that the combined area is 1000 square units. So the combined area of this and this is 1000 square units. So what will be the area? The area will be x plus 8 into x plus 8. So x plus 8 square plus x into x square. This is given to be 1000. I hope this is absolutely clear. There should be no confusion in this, right? Okay. Now we need to find the area of this part plus this part. Now we need to find the area of this purple ones. Okay. So what we can do is that we can take the entire big square and we can subtract the sum of these two squares. So we will get the area of these two remaining parts. So what will be the side of the larger square? We know this part from here to here, this is how much? X plus 8, right? And how much is this part? This part is x. So this entire length will be x plus 8 plus x. So the entire length will be x plus 8 plus x, right? And this length will be how much? This will be the same length because it is a square. This is x plus 8 and this is x. So this will be x plus 8 plus x. So the area will be x plus 8 plus x whole square. I hope this makes sense, like pretty normal, right? So this is a square, right? So one side is how much? One side is x plus 8 plus x. So the area will be x square. So this square, right? So this will be the entire area. And we want to subtract how much? The area of these two parts. And how much is the area of these two parts? The combined area is 1000. So we have to subtract 1000 from this. I hope this makes sense. Right. So now let's solve this. So what is this? This is a plus b square. So this will be a square, which means x plus 8 square, plus b square, that means plus x square, plus 2ab, means 2 into x plus 8, right? And minus 1000. Okay. But we know that x plus 8 square plus x square is 1000. So basically, this part is how much? 1000. So 1000 minus 1000 gets cancelled. So we are left with what? We are left with how much? 2x times of x plus 8. We are left with 2x times of x plus 8, right? Which is how much? 2x square plus 16x. So this is the answer that we have got. Now we have to find the numerical value. Now if you open this part, what will be this? This will be x square plus 64 plus 16x plus x square, right, is equals to 1000. I hope this is visible, right? So this part will be what? This is x square plus x square, so 2x square plus 16x plus 64 is equals to 1000. So 2x square plus 16x will be how much? 1000 minus 64, which is how much? 936. So this is the value which we have got, that 2x square plus 16x is equals to 936. And what did we want to find? We wanted to find 2x square plus 16x. So the answer becomes 936. I hope this is pretty easy to solve, nothing complex. You just have to be a little bit careful and you will be able to do it pretty easily. I hope this should be clear.